Before we begin, let's just take a moment to notice how you're feeling right here and now. Not how you think you should feel, just how you actually do. Maybe you're calm. Maybe your mind is busy. Maybe you feel a little unfinished, mid-thought, or creatively tangled. All of that is welcome. Gently allow your eyes to close. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it through your mouth. No need to change anything yet. Just notice. Another breath in and out. Now imagine your inner world as a tabletop after a creative moment. Not staged, not perfectly tidy, not wiped clean. There are traces of something that wanted to exist, unsorted feelings, fragments of moments that mattered. And scattered among them, as if they arrived without asking, are small pieces of confetti. Not loud, not demanding, just present. They rest where they land, along the edges of your thoughts, in the corners of your attention. For now, you don't need to understand them. You don't need to make sense of the mess. This is simply what it looks like when something is in motion. When creativity has passed through. When life has been touched. Let your breath begin to slow. In and out. Imagine yourself standing among the traces already here. Nothing empty, nothing too full. The ground beneath you is steady. The air feels light, easy to breathe. And then, as if invited by your stillness, more confetti drifts down around you. Each piece floats slowly, catching the light. Some shimmer, some are muted, some bold and bright, others soft and quiet. No two are the same. Notice how they land around you. On the ground, on your shoulders, maybe even in your hair. You might feel an urge to organize them, explain them, rationalize, to decide what belongs and what doesn't. To clean it up. If that impulse shows up, just notice it. And then gently invite another idea in. What if this isn't a mess, What if this is evidence? Evidence of moments lived, feelings felt, risks taken, joy spilled, attempts made without guarantees. Each piece of confetti represents something real. A laugh that escaped unexpectedly. A plan that changed shape. A season that felt chaotic but mattered anyway. You don't need to gather them. You don't need to arrange them into meaning. Just let them be where they are. Take a breath in and imagine that with each inhale, you're allowing a little more softness toward the messes in your life. And as you exhale, release the pressure to be polished. Release the need to be perfectly contained. Notice how the space around you feels now. Not chaotic, not perfect, alive. Confetti isn't meant to stay neat. It's meant to mark something. A moment, a celebration, a turning point. And you're not meant to be perfectly in order either. You're allowed to be layered, colorful, unfinished. You're allowed to leave traces of yourself behind and find new colors along the way. Let the confetti settle now. Not disappearing, just resting. Some pieces land softly at your feet. Some remain exactly where they are. Some even stay stuck in your hair. Feel the steadiness beneath it all. The ground, your breath, your body supported just as it is. Take one last slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. And as you open your eyes, imagine carrying one small piece of confetti with you. A reminder. Nothing here needed to be cleaned up for you to be worthy. To just be. The confetti didn't make a mess. It marked the moment. And it was beautiful.